Alright guys, so here I am, the underside of my Grizzly router table. Router sits right here on this plate. Not a lot of options for dust collection here. I did get the Dust Right bucket from Rockler, and the traditional mounting brackets don't work because this is a cast iron top. And it's got supports in it. So what I went ahead to do with is I put on one bracket, loosen this support, and I'm gonna angle it in here. And there's actually just enough clearance to get up and tucked under. From there, I took my pencil, came inside, and marked these two holes. I'm gonna drill them out, put some screws in it, and I got dust collecting. There will be about an inch gap on the top there, but I'm not terribly worried about it. This should collect most of the dust. Yeah. All right, so drilling underneath was next to impossible. Very quickly just marked underneath, and then accounted for the 1/16 inch of steel and placed 2 marks up here. There we go.